Hey, what's up guys, my name's Jay, we're back with another video. Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? So, right now, I am making some spaghetti. I think it's Sunday, it's Sunday, it's Easter Sunday. But I'm cooking for him right now, we're making some spaghetti. We got the meat right there. We got that, hey, we got Esteli. Yeah, we got the hard-working man in there doing his homework because, you know, someday he's gonna be my sugar daddy someday, so, you know, he gotta do that homework. So let's see what he's up to. Oh yeah, look at that manly man doing his homework. We're watching Perfect Match on Netflix. It's a reality TV show. I love reality shows. So that's what we're doing right now. What time is it? It's 12:32. And yeah, we're just hanging out. We took Stella out. We went to the park, didn't we, girl? She's like, yeah, we did. We went to the park. Yeah. All right, the spaghetti is done. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like spaghetti that you would get at school lunches. But I'm the kind of guy that I like making noodles and then spaghetti and meat in one thing, and then I put noodles on my plate, and then I put the spaghetti and meat on my plate, you know, how much I want. But Raul likes it all mixed together, so I guess that's just how we're gonna have it. I'm gonna try it for you guys, really good. I think it tastes good. We got the spaghetti, we're gonna give it to him. There you go, I want you to eat. I want you to try your first bite on camera.
Can I get a towel so I don't stay in the bed?
Yeah. What? My pants, I think that's Stella drooling. I did stain my shirt, yes. Try the food, tell me what you think. We've been eating pasta every single day.
Let's go.
Tell me the truth, it doesn't matter. Like, you don't have to lie on camera, you can tell me the truth. 1 out of 10.
6.
Oh, okay. I mean, I could...
More to 5.
Is it bad? What do I need to add?
5.
What do I need to add?
It's just like too moist.
Too moist? Oh, I like my shit moist, if you know what I mean. Alright. So we are longboarding now with Allison and Brian. They are all the way down there, right there. There they are longboarding with the white shirt. With Brian, and I don't know what shirt Allison's wearing, pink? I don't know. They're all the way down there. And we're right here, longboarding. First time longboarding with me. I think you said you longboarded before. Once a long time ago. So we'll see. We just bought him a new longboard yesterday. Only 25 bucks at Five Below. So it's nothing good. But it's a good beginner longboard. Oh yeah. We got Stella over there hanging out with them. You good? I'm not laughing. You're doing good. I'm proud of you.
Are you guys here? That longboard looks really scary to ride.
I know.
You're doing great. Come on, Stella. Come on, Stella.
Look at all of us. Big happy family right here.
Yeah. It's not scary and dangerous.
Ooh, what is my hair doing?
Stella, you see a fish? Stella, do you see a fish?
Stella's hanging out in the water now. I wish I had my Crocs or something so I could go play with her.
Why don't you sit down?
Take your shoes off.
Yeah, take your shoes off, deadass. The water feels so nice.
I won't trust that.
Hey, I won't lie to you. The water feels nice.
She's just a baby. She's
Lay
just
down,
a
Stella.
baby.
Lay down.
Hey, he's getting better now. Oh. Such a nice day.
What's up, people?
Alright, so we just got out of High V.
There's Stella.
Oh, Stelly's in the back. What up, baby? Oh, wait, we can't put it in the back because she's in the back. She'll be eating our groceries. The door's locked. Stella, so we got groceries.
Where the fuck is this thing from?
Oh, that's the penis pump. I'm just kidding. That's a pump to blow up balls.
Like your mom?
I've been saying like your mom jokes to him all the time, and now he keeps trying to do it, but he doesn't understand, and he says it weirdly.
But it's so funny, right?
But so we went longboarding with Allison and Brian, and it's so nice out that there's some muscly men with shirts off and all that, and we got pretty jealous and insecure. So now we're eating healthy to look like them, but it's only gonna last like a day. Tomorrow we'll be back to eating cake. You know how it is.
Tonight I'm gonna be back to eating cake.
Yeah. And we still got cake and shit in the fridge, so.
Why? I love you. I love you. Smushy, smushy. Right.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm just recording.
Okay.
Say hi.
Hi. It's the next day now, and we are bringing our bestie some food. We got McDonald's, and we also got what is that called? Starbucks. So yeah, that is so awkward. We're just walking in. You wanna open up the door for me?
Oh, she's there.
Oh, we just got here. Look at her at work. Yeah?
And I also can't talk to you.
Oh, why?
What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
Come on, you're fine. Come on.
Group hug.
I love you guys so much.
Alright, bye
Talk to you
bye.
later.
The gays are leaving. Alright, now we're gonna go, we gotta go eat now. And, cause this bitch FaceTimed Allison was like, we're gonna go buy you some lunch. He was like, we're gonna go buy her some lunch. And then guess who paid? Yeah.
Shut the fuck up.
Alright.
How do you leave the door? The window.
Because I got the keys in it. That's why. Oh yeah. Mwah. All right, I think we're gonna go. We're gonna go shopping now, and we're gonna eat. Do you know where we're gonna eat yet?
We're gonna go get my car first.
Oh yeah, because my car doesn't have. Well, it does, but I need to like do something with it.
Do something?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do you.
Oh, okay.
Let's go because it's hot.
Hey guys, we are at Olive Garden. This is my first time ever being at an Olive Garden. And look, I got a whole salad. Look at this. I even got one of these things. Like, I thought it was a scissors, but they're scissors with spoons at the end. Fucking great. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. I'm taking this home. I don't know. Can I take this home? No. I'm taking it home. I'll shove it down my shirt. Alright. Look how cool this is. This is way too rich for me. And you got, what did you get? What kind of soup did you get? Yo. What kind of soup did you get?
Gnocchi.
Minyaki? Gnocchi. I'm gonna try this really quick.
I do.
Okay.
So it's around the corner.
Really good. Alright, we got our main course. We both got Alfredo, but he got regular fettuccine Alfredo. I got chicken and broccoli added in mine. Why didn't you want chicken and broccoli? You want some of mine? Do you want some of mine? Because I definitely am not going to eat all this. You're good?
I'm good.
Oh yeah, there it is. Ooh, yeah, this is my first time ever eating here, and it looks really good. What? Ooh. It creamed on us. It tastes good. Oh, I bet I could fit all this in my mouth, you know what I mean? This is good.